Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make shatta. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here from whatever platform you're joining us from. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making shatta, which is a Middle Eastern chili sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 6 jalapeno peppers, 2 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about a cup of parsley that we're going to put into the food processor. So I'm going to set that up, and we'll come back, we'll start mixing this up. Alright, we got our food processor right here. What I did is I took and I cut up our tomatoes into quarters, and then I seeded out and took some of the pith out of these jalapenos. So I'm going to go ahead and start loading the jalapenos right on in there. Remember, if you're dealing with all these jalapenos, that you wash your hands afterwards, because you don't want to rub your eyes and have all that seed oil in your eyes. That hurts. Alright, I'm going to pulse this just a little bit. Basically just kind of giving the sauce a head start here by putting the jalapenos in there and grinding them up, because I want to make a sauce out of this, but I don't want to pulverize it too much. Okay, we got our tomatoes in there. We're going to do the same thing. Alright, now we got everything kind of ground down. I'm going to put our parsley down in there. Salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, and our oil all going in there. Turn it back on. You got a nice ground up sauce here. I'm going to pour it into a container, and we'll talk a little bit about this. Just pour some of this right in here, and then you can see what this looks like. Beautiful. Smells fantastic. Get the rest out of there, but you can see how that looks. We're going to get some crackers, and we're going to take some pictures, and we're going to come back and give this a taste. Alright, that was some good looking sauce. We got some crackers here, pita bread, homemade pita chips my wife made. We're going to give this a taste. It's like a relish. You definitely taste the jalapenos and the vinegar and the salt. Very good. Not really hot. Waiting for the heat. I'm not getting any. So yeah, this is good. It's simple to make. Most of the ingredients are hanging out at your store. It's the condiment, it's the dipping sauce, it's the dressing, a marinade. You can even garnish plates with it. This can be used for a whole lot of things, and there's different ways of making it. I appreciate you stopping by my channel to see how I do it. The recipe is down in the description box. There you go. Shatta. Take care. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixin' up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, pumping from the soul kitchen.